My name is Bilha Ayako. I reside in Kilifi County. I went to Codehack High School, then proceeded to Masai Mara University, where I did Bachelor's of Education in Mathematics and Business Studies. I've been teaching for the last 4 years. I have had passion in technology, and when I got an opportunity to train on the coding skills, I was very happy. I was trained by the Pwani Teknowgalz, and I learned skills in website development, mobile app development, and digital marketing. This experience has taught me to be patient. It has taught me to think critically. It has also taught me that I can do anything if I wanted to and determined to do it. I was able to develop an app, Engage Tutor, which helps learners who are at home access teachers of mathematics and sciences, and they can book a lesson and learn whichever topic they want to. Also, when learners are at home and they have a lot of energy that most of the time goes to waste, or they end up indulging in immorality and drugs, this app is going to help them, since they are in position to book a lesson and learn these 4 subjects, that is math, chemistry, physics, and biology. My goal is to ensure that learners are able to access quality education at any time, anywhere, since they'll be in position to have an e-learning session with the teacher of the subject they have booked for. I'm ever grateful to Pwani Teknowgalz for giving me this opportunity, and all the women out there, to ensure that they just don't sit back at home and do nothing, but they have something to do. And since the world today evolves around technology, this is an opportunity to grow. I intend to incorporate technology in education and make classroom lessons very much interesting. Finally, I thank the Teknowgalz group for this opportunity, and I urge all young women out there to grab such opportunities when they come across them. Thank you.